Ooh, ah, ooh, la, ah, bah, ooh, ah, call it I'm dead. Ooh, ah, bah, ah, ooh, ah.
It's been years since I had a change. Always a watch out. Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chick in a black Corvette. Like she drove right out of a magazine. And oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Janet Collection sent me this hair. They sent me 8 packs, and the packs that they sent me looks like that. Well, I actually used this bag, but I actually used 7 and like maybe 2 of the 8th pack, and I'm going to show you how they look. These are the Maverick Locs. They are 24 inches long, and this is what they look like. So the color is 1B30. So the thing about these locks, I think, let me get a close-up. As you can tell, the 1B is like really like dominant at the top, but also it flows a little bit through the middle part, but not so much as the bottom. So I feel like this color is everything. When I seen these packages, I should have recorded my whole like what do you call it? I should have recorded my reaction because the hair is so pretty. Like, I was in shock. I was in shock of the color. I'm like, oh my gosh. Because the thing is, I didn't know exactly how the 1B30 was gonna look. Like, you know how with some brands, the 1B30 could be a little bit more orangier, more brown, like a deeper brown. So you kind of really never know until you look. So I just kind of took a guess of which color that I wanted to try out, and this is what it is. Now, we're gonna go through all the pros and the cons of this hair, and then at the end I'm gonna tell you if this is beginner level hair or if this is like you need to kind of know what you're doing type. My braid pattern is terrible. Like, I started out on the side doing the I forget what it's called. I'll put it on the screen, but it's where you like braid it and then braid another one, but you but you part it into squares and then you connect them. And you keep braiding like that. You guys, that takes time, but I'm going to tell you, from me doing that on this side versus just going straight back on this side, I personally would say you would want to do that other method. This hair, it is heavy, but one of the pros about this hair, look at it, like, it is so stinking cute, and the color will make you stand out. The color will make you like somebody literally do a double take because it is so beautiful. I've gotten so many compliments on the color. Another pro about it is they are thick. These are supposed to be like locks, but they're giving me passion twist vibes. So really and truly, they're locks, but to me, they're like reminding me of like passion twist. Another pro about it is I haven't gotten any tangling just yet, but you know, with synthetic type hair, you know, they're prone to lock, or not lock, but they're prone to tangle. All you have to do is just cut the tangle off. But so far so good. It literally took me maybe like 2.5 hours, and a lot of that was spent on me braiding my own hair. Like, you guys, I realized I'm not about that life anymore. I cannot sit there and just braid my whole head to my scalp because I am so stinking tender-headed. I personally thought I was gonna maybe be able to use 4 bags. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna be able to use 4 bags of this hair. No, I needed almost 8 bags of this hair. Another thing about this hair, which sucks, it was so difficult trying to do the individual method. So basically, I had started braiding my hair down, and then I would use the crochet hook and pull the lock through it, and then I tried to, like, you know, you untwist and you twist your hair around the lock, or you twist the lock around your hair. To me, it didn't work. I tried it a few times. It did not work because me personally, I like less locks in my head. So this is a lot of locks, but I think I did pretty good. The only thing is the way that I spaced it out the top, I am not able to flip it over. If I do, you're gonna see some braid. So it's not a big deal because honestly, I'm just gonna wear it like this. I might wear it, you know, like this or something like that. It does come with the ends curled, so if you do like curly ends, this is a great hairstyle for you. Overall, would I say this hair is beginner friendly? It's a little bit a notch up, just because you have to know how to braid your hair down at the top. Not the top part, but you have to know how to braid your actual hair down to where you're going to be able to get it to the point where it actually looks pretty good. This is the part, this is the side where I just braided it back, and these are the ones that I did. If you decide to do this hairstyle, definitely get 8 packs. Why not do 5? Definitely get 8 packs, okay, you guys. Don't get 5, don't get 4, get 8 packs, because the thing is you want to make sure that you have enough hair, okay? And then also, if you don't get 8 packs, you're like, oh, that might be too much. I would say if you have a smaller head than I do, try to get like 6, but then you're gonna have to move them around, you know. Typically, I don't like the uniform curl, but I tried to like kind of straighten it out. It didn't work because I had it on my flat iron. The lowest it goes is 340. It just was not budging. Like it kept just like making the hair come off. So yeah, definitely I'm just gonna keep it like this. And yes, you guys, I thought about actually what you can do, because I actually tried it on one of them. You can take it and you can wrap them if you have the time, or if you choose to do it, you take this little long piece right here and you just wrap it going up. And you'll probably have to get some hair glue just to put on there and make this stay if you don't like how the curls look at the end. But I think they're pretty cute though, honestly. You would have to put some super glue on there and then do that, and then that's a way that you can have them to where they don't have the curl. That's if you don't want the desired curl. Y'all know me, I'm queen of trying to like get something to where it's my liking, and that's the great thing about hair. That's the beauty of trying different hair. You know, you want to create your own style to where it fit you, okay? So definitely tell me how you like this hair in the comment box below. Until next time, you guys, I will see you later. Bye. So you guys, I want to show you something. So you see this? I was trying to do the individual method and it is tiring. I'm tired of doing it. My head is hurting, so I decided to just go straight back, and I tried to make them pretty flat. I just want to show you the back. So the back part of my hair, I just pulled all the braids up and I just sewed it down. And yeah, we're about to see how this turns out, so get ready.
It's been years since I had a change. Always a watch out. Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chick in a black Corvette, like she drove right out of a magazine. And oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me breathe your air, baby. Seeing visions once in a lifetime, only us till the end. Oh, put it on me. We just wanna get away, faded, but it's so cursed. Like we bring you back to the 70s. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. It's been years since I had a change. Always a watch out. Lighter to the gasoline. Oh, couldn't hold me. Now I'm living better days. Hot chick in a black Corvette. Like she drove right out of a magazine. And oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me breathe your air, baby. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love. Brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Lately I've been seeing visions, once in a lifetime. Only us till the end. Oh, put it on me. We just wanna get away. Faded, but it's so cursed. Like we bring you back to the 70s. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so